What's up, YouTube? I've got some more additions in my toolbox here. Thought I'd share it with you guys. My tool cart, my Harbor Freight tool cart. Picked up this Max screwdriver. At the pawn shop for $3. I thought it was a good buy. Got some of these Braun lights from Harbor Freight. They work pretty good, actually. Lights it up like a Christmas tree. Got two of them. Got one there and one there. Got this new door panel clip tool from OEM Tools for I think it was like $8 at AutoZone. Since my last video, I've gotten a few additions here. Let me try to look here, see what else I got. Oh, I got the 10mm refill kit from O'Reilly's. Comes with a 1/4 inch shallow, mid, deep, 1/4 inch wobble, 3/8 wobble, 3/8 short, 3/8 deep, and it actually came with a 3/8 10mm extra deep. And keep that right there. I'll really be able to shut my lid with it in there. And I got this little 1/4 inch Tecton set on the go. And I was looking through my video and noticed I showed you guys all the drawers except for this one. So I got picks, more picks, air ratchet, dielectric grease, JB Weld, thread sealant. Did a head gasket recently. I actually got this from Harbor Freight. I really like it. I've used it a couple times. They have a longer one with a flex head, but this one's got a 1/4 inch ratchet head on one end and a 3/8 on the other. It's good for tight spots. So, antifreeze tester. I couldn't remember what balls meant what, so I put the little, oh, the light's on the way. I put the tag right there so I can remember how many balls equals what temperature coolant can be at, or coolant can operate. Got some air chucks in this drawer, a bunch of adapters, 1/2 inch to 3/8, and got some impact ones and whatnot. So, and then in here I got another small wiring screwdriver. I've got spark plug gauge. I've got a little mirror. Just kind of miscellaneous stuff. Nothing really changed with the wrench drawer. Kind of like the way it is. Plier drawer. Nothing's really changed with that, except I picked up these Doyle crimpers at Harbor Freight. Same as Klein to me. Half the price. And this one has my hammers in it, punches, a couple small pry bars. In this drawer, not really too many changes from last time. I just got my socket I made for my 6.0. I made an 1 1/16 mid socket. It's a Craftsman. Cut it with a bandsaw for my ICP sensor. I've got an 03, so it's behind the turbo, not on the valve cover. But I got this Carlisle to match my other one. I got this 1/2 inch flex head ratchet to match my 3/8 one. This thing's pretty good. It's got a pretty fine tooth count. It's got a locking flex head, so I like it. Does me well. speed handle. Got a new socket set since last time. Got a Techno metric shallow. I was going to get the metric deep, but they didn't have it. So yeah, that's all the new additions, new tools. Oh no, I got this Mac fuel pressure test kit. Got this at a pawn shop for $80. Called the Mac guy. My Mac guy see how much they were, and he said $450, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. It's got 2 gauges and all kinds of different fittings, and picture's gonna be messed up for a second to take this piece out, but and underneath it's got a bunch of different hoses and different adapters, and there's a little manual with it or whatever. That was a pretty good price. Hell, if you count all the Schrader valves on each fitting, it's worth $80 itself. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty good deal, and I picked this up. It's my Fluke. I already had one, but I got a new one because I leave one at work and then I have one at home. So hold on a second. It's a Fluke. It's a good meter, really good meter, very accurate. Very accurate. And then I actually picked this drill press up at a yard sale for $40. It's a jumbo tabletop drill press, I guess you'd call it. And yeah, so I picked that up. And then I got these shocks for my 6.0. They are Pro Comp shocks, front, rear, and steering stabilizer, and I got some billet spacers for my wheels. Not sure if I'm gonna put them on yet, but the guy who I bought the shocks off of said it was all or nothing for $150, and as you can tell, they're brand new. Hell, it even came with the damn stickers that the shocks came with. That was a pretty good deal. I need to wash my rags. These are these are cam seals for a Volvo S40. Valve seats. Yeah, just thought I'd show you guys the new tools I got. Oh, I got this toolbox too. Here's my air conditioning gauges, but I got this box too. I had all the tools, but this is kind of a work overflow box. Screwdrivers. Yeah. Alright, well, that concludes my video. So I'll post you guys some more updates as I add to my collection. Alright, you guys have a good night.